Excellent.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Washington County in north-central Maryland, Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Frederick County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, east-central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carroll Valley to 6 miles west of Charlestown, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh shit.
Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Frederick, Westminster, Damascus, Thurmont, Charlestown, Poolsville, Pittsburgh, Shepherdstown, Harry Grove Stadium, Ballinger Creek, Mount Airy, Robinwood, Tanatown, Brunswick, Walkersville, Manchester, Ranson, Boonesboro, Smithsburg, and Braddock Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.